Bergen County, home to some of the most luxurious and exclusive towns in New Jersey. But did you know that there are towns here with incredibly low property taxes, making them a standout choice for high-end living? Today I'm diving into the top 5 towns with the lowest tax rates in Bergen County. And these towns, they're not just low tax, they're the epitome of luxury and convenience, with easy access to New York City. Let's get started. Hey, before we actually get started, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more tips about life in northern New Jersey. So ready? Let's go. All right, we're going to start the list at number 5 with Englewood Cliffs. Englewood Cliffs is a perfect blend of luxury and convenience. With a tax rate of just 1.155%, the average home value here is $1.5 million, up 7.5% over the past year. But the location, it's unbeatable. Just minutes from the George Washington Bridge, making New York City easily accessible. Now, Englewood Cliffs is known for its corporate presence, which helps keep those taxes low. It's the ideal spot for commuters looking for an upscale lifestyle. At number 4, we have Teterboro. Teterboro is tiny, but it packs a punch when it comes to low taxes. With a tax rate of 1.052%, this town is an excellent choice for buyers who want proximity to New York City as well, and a unique industrial modern vibe. Now, housing inventory here is pretty limited. Its location near major highways and transit hubs does make it highly desirable. At number 3 on the list, we've got Saddle River. With a tax rate of just 1.036%, the average home value here is right around $2 million, up 7.9% over the past year. It's known for its sprawling estates, privacy, and a celebrity vibe. Saddle River is as exclusive as it gets, and yet it's only a short drive as well from New York City, making it perfect for those who want the best of both worlds. Hey, quick pause. The New Jersey real estate market is moving fast. Whether you're buying or selling, timing is everything. My network of agents covers the entire Garden State, so we can find the perfect fit for your unique needs. Click the link in the description below to book your free consultation today, and let's make your real estate dreams a reality. At number 4, we've got Rockley. With a tax rate of just 0.834%, it's one of Bergen County's most exclusive and charming towns. It's small, quiet, and ideal for those seeking a retreat while staying close to the action. Homes here typically start around $1.2 million, and the peaceful tree-lined streets make it a hidden gem for those prioritizing privacy and tranquility. At the top of our list is Alpine, with a tax rate of just 0.818%. Now, the average home here is around $2.7 million, up 7.7% over the past year. It's also known for its celebrity residence and sprawling mansions. Alpine is synonymous with luxury, and with its location literally minutes from George Washington Bridge, it's the pinnacle of exclusivity and convenience. Now, before we wrap up, I want to highlight one more town, Paramus, as a bonus. While its tax rate of 1.514% didn't land it in my top 5 list, it's still an incredibly sought-after market. The average home value here is just shy of $950,000, up an impressive 9% over the past year. And homes go pending in just about 18 days, a testament to how hot the market is. It's known as the shopping capital of Bergen County. Paramus offers a central location, low taxes, and consistent value appreciation. So investing in Paramus means not just a great place to live, but also a smart choice for long-term growth, barring any major economic shifts or crashes, of course. And there you have it, the top 5 Bergen County towns with the lowest taxes. Sure, the prices are up there, but you're investing in prestige, luxury, amazing schools, and proximity to New York City, all while having a low tax rate. So, which town caught your eye? Let me know in the comments.